You got a nasty film on those dishes after the dishwasher has finished its cycle? If so, you need to come and have a little chat with the Handy Guys.
Okay, well.
All right, Brian, so over the years, we've done at least 2, maybe more, probably like 4 audio episodes and some video about dishwashers and the fact that modern dishwashers and modern appliances pretty much stink as a whole.
Yeah.
And they don't clean dishes as well if they're a dishwasher, and there's various reasons for that. They use less water, they use less power, have smaller motors, they recycle dirty water.
Right, but they're Energy Star rated.
Yeah, and in some cases they have bad designs, which one of our videos has proven as that we have countless listeners trying to clean out the filter. It doesn't filter the food very well and it clogs itself. But there's one other problem, and that's is detergent.
The detergent.
What's the problem with modern detergents?
So in about 2010, about 33 states decided to ban the use of something called phosphates in detergents.
Right. Well, I assume that when they did that, they would have said on the detergent, say, no phosphate or remove phosphate, or maybe send out an alert, let you know.
Nope.
No phosphate, dishes will look cloudy.
Nope. No phosphates.
Right.
It won't work the way it used to.
And phosphate was used as a rinsing aid to allow the dishes to dry,
Kind
so
of
that
a
they
rinsing
didn't
aid,
have
but it's also a detergent.
Yeah, but it was part of the detergent, I think, to make them look
It softened the water a little bit. It took,
So we had that same problem, Brian. I cleaned out the dishwasher, and then all our dishes were getting cleaner. I fixed the problem of like crud being all over.
Right.
But I was still having cloudy glasses. Wine glasses had spots and cloudiness. So we added rinse aid more and more. The rinse aid just wasn't doing the job. So then we discovered add vinegar. That helped. Vinegar definitely helped. I would put a little cup, like a custard cup, on the top rack, fill it with vinegar, white vinegar, and that definitely helped. We had to add vinegar to every load.
That's a lot of vinegar.
Yeah, it is. Until, Brian, some listener said, you need to try out Finish Power Balls or Power Tabs. They have a couple different models.
Right.
And that will fix your problems.
The Power Balls. Now, we haven't found a difference between normal powdered dishwashing detergent that we've used
on your dishwasher.
On our dishwasher.
But yours may not be an Energy Star modern.
It may not be.
Right. So on my modern Energy Star, I don't know why, and since they've removed phosphate, for some reason this little power ball works great. They're not cheap, but we don't have to use rinse aid anymore. You just stick that in a little container and you're good to go. For some reason it just works. Our dishes come out crystal clear. They look awesome.
Now, we've made that recommendation to people that have commented on the post about cleaning debris out of the basin of that model dishwasher.
And they don't believe me, by the way, Brian. People pester me.
Because they're used to using the powdered stuff that they've been using for 100 years.
Or whatever has always worked, but I have to explain to them.
So something must be wrong with the dishwasher.
Right. The Cascade is not Cascade anymore.
They changed their formula.
Right.
Well, I did a little bit of research, and I came up with Cascade that I think, Paul, here you go.
You think it's going to compete?
It's going to work. And the
what's different about this Cascade?
This is Cascade that's marketed and sold to commercial institutions.
Okay.
So this is what they'd use in restaurants, in hospitals, and places where it's important that the dishes are clean the first time through.
So this is Cascade.
It is.
This is the real Cascade you probably grew up with. This
That's
is your
right.
This is your Cascade. This is your father's and your grandmother's Cascade, probably.
But you got to be a little sneaky when you buy it.
Whoa! Is there an FTC issue here?
I don't know if there's an FTC, or an EPA issue. Are we going to get a cease and desist letter again from the EPA?
FDA, what is it? All right, so here's the bottom line: is you can only buy this if you're a commercial restaurant or something like that. But we want to give it a little test to see if this really works.
Right.
It'll prove the point, and we will let you know. How will we let our listeners know?
We'll put it in a comment, or we'll edit the show notes, and we'll put it in there.
So check out this show. If you're watching on YouTube, check it out at this. Put the URL right here on handyguyspodcast.com. Check out the posting information. We'll put it with the post, and we'll explain whether this really does indeed fix the problem.
It does have phosphates. I've checked the ingredients.
So it has phosphates. Now let's talk about, is there anything you can do if you can't get commercial? And for some reason, like some of our listeners, they said, I'm not going to use Finish. I don't know why, but.
A couple of people, and this is up to you, but a couple people around the internet have said, I put a tablespoon of this in with my
TSP.
regular old dishwashing soap.
So normally you use this to clean your walls before painting or something like that.
Right, and clean your deck. There's 100 uses for it.
Right.
This has been around for a long time. Trisodium phosphate. It's the second most common ingredient in this professional grade
is this gonna,
detergent.
Like damage the environment or something?
I have no idea, but your dishes will be clean.
All right, so you need to check with your local authorities to see if this is allowed.
If you're breaking any laws.
If you're allowed to add a teaspoon of this now, to add, but that's.
And this might be hard to find. You're going to find this in the paint section of your home center or hardware store. You may not find it in a grocery store.
Okay.
And you may not even, when I picked this up today, I went through the hardware store, cleaning aisle.
Right.
They had a box that looked exactly like this, and it said heavy duty cleaner, but it didn't say TSP
All right, so
on it.
This
was in the paint section.
Oh, okay, interesting. And it's not necessarily cheap either. So I would advise just, if you want the quick and easy, try these Finish tabs. I haven't had a person that said, look, they just don't work. Everyone that tries them, that they had this problem.
You're going to try that.
It works.
That's cheaper.
I will try this and see if this works.
And you're going to get that either online or at your restaurant supply if you have one near your house, something like that.
So there you go. Phosphates, detergent, something they may not have told you and maybe you didn't know. I know they didn't tell you, but that's one reason why your dishwashers don't work as well as they used to.
All right.
There you have it. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.